In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Clickup. To begin, think of Clickup as a simple structure. At the top is your workspace, which represents your whole company or personal brand. Most people only need one workspace, so choose a clear name that will still make sense as you grow. During the initial setup, turn on helpful ClickUps such as priority, tags, and multiple assignees. These options make it easier to organize work and keep tasks moving, especially when more than one person is involved. Next, you will build spaces. Spaces are like departments, so keep them broad and easy to recognize, such as marketing, operations, client projects, or personal. A useful tip is that each space can have its own statuses. For example, a marketing workflow might need something like in review, while an operations workflow may only need to do and done. Setting this up early keeps your team consistent. Now it is time to organize the work inside each space using folders and lists. Folders are best for larger projects like a website relaunch or a campaign. Inside a folder, lists act like the tabs that separate types of work. For a relaunch, you might create lists for design, development, and content. This layout keeps tasks easy to find and prevents one long list from becoming overwhelming. From there, you will create tasks and subtasks. Tasks are the actual to-dos your team completes. Make sure every task has an assignee and a due date, because ownership and deadlines are what drive execution. If you need to track extra details, add custom fields such as a money field for budget, a drop-down for priority level, or checkboxes for quick tracking. Once your tasks exist, choose the best views for the way you like to work. List view is great for scanning everything at once. Board view is ideal for a Kanban-style workflow, where you move work from to-do to in progress to done. Calendar view helps you visualize deadlines. In ClickUp, go to your inbox, open your team space, and use the option to group lists, docs, and more. Enter a name for what you are creating, then click Create. Open your workspace area, go into a list, and use the Subtasks option to show subtasks so you can see the full breakdown of work. Then switch to the board view and select the view options to adjust what you see. Finally, create a doc called Workspace Guide and connect it to your tasks so everyone knows how to follow the system you built. That covers everything you need to know.